Hey everybody, it's your old pal Billy Blue Gloves here, also known as Drawn to You and various other nicknames and aliases. And today we're drawing Grenda from Gravity Falls. As you saw there, I like to have, for this stage of the drawing, a fairly dull pencil because I'm doing a lot of lines to find out where I want the final lines here. So for the blue version, I have a dull pencil. Then it gets sharp as we go forward. This is the Ticonderoga T420 Blue. This video is going to be a little more of a throwback, kind of more of the format that we did, say a year ago, where you'll see the full blue line pencils here, and then the full regular pencils, full inks, and then colors. So that's fitting, as this is the way we did all the Gravity Falls, or most of them. All right, we're just about finished with the, oh yeah, here it is, the final inks here. Pretty happy with this. We want to see if the, oh, it looks like Drawn to You 2 is taking over. All right, let's see what's going on here. All right, so he's going to jump in with the, with Grenda's pink shirt here first. I like the way he's staying in the lines here. Look at that. We've had a lot of practice moving fast and staying inside the lines. Look at him go, filling all that stuff in. Yeah, love it. You two said this was the first time that we had drawn the journal, and I said, no, we did one of each journal. And he said, no, I mean inside a drawing. And he was right about that. That was the first time inside a drawing that we did the journals, so that was true. And we are coming up on the end of another video here. He's filling in the little water ripples, and then he's about to put his signature on here. This is our final product. We had a good time with this internet. Hope you did too. And until next time, I'm drawn to you.
Yeah.